seeing right. we started electronic unboxing on the channel, and this is the first one we're gonna do. And I feel good. I feel like you see me walking around this thing. It's large. It's really large. So what do we have here? We have a 55 inches Hiesense curved TV, 4K smart TV. It's everything. We have it's called Pure Colors. I think that's a marketing gimmick, but put it on this how it looks like. HDRO, 4K upscaling. So even if you have videos that are not up to 4K, it will upscale it for you. Then we have good sound, high contrast. Then over here I'm seeing Netflix, YouTube, and Netflix one-click remote. I think basically that's what you should expect from a smart TV. But for now, let's dive into the box and see what's in the box. So can we do this? Okay, I'll put this aside. So this is it. Now you see some stuff here. Yeah, this comes from the back. What do we have here? Okay, we have our plug. That's an electrical cord. We have the remote controls. Okay, yeah, this is one-click Netflix thing that was written on the box. Let's keep this aside. Nobody reads these things. They are manuals. They are called manuals. The younger ones, they are called manuals. But nobody reads these things. Understand that? Please do actually. If you're not going to electronics. So we have batteries for the remote and some other. I think this should be for the stand. But let's get into the TV and let's see what it looks like. So take this off. Side. I'm gonna take wraps off. Oh no. Oh no. Yo! Now this is large. As you can see, it's a subtle curve all around to give you that massive 3D viewing experience. So this thing is really thin, and for the price you're getting this thing, I think it's worth the money. And these are the normal labelings, 4K display and all that. So we're going to set this thing up, and when we're done setting this up, we also have the sound bar. We're going to set everything up and we're going to power it up, and we're going to give you guys a first-hand impression of both of those devices. Thank you very much and stay tuned.